To change the battery on your Timex watch, start by flipping it over to access the back cover. Look on the side of the cover. Somewhere, you'll see a small slot. If that's the case, you have a snap-on cover. Be careful, it's also possible that you have a cover held on by screws, or even that is literally screwed onto the case. If so, one of the suggested videos in the upper right corner will be more useful to you. But in this case, you'll need a thin and sturdy tool to act as a lever. A butter knife could do the job just fine, but I use this tool specifically designed for this. It comes with a complete kit for maintaining your watch, it's very affordable, and you can get it by following the link in the description. But first, protect the back of your watch in case you slip in the next step, as you could damage something. Insert the lever and lift the cover. You shouldn't have to force too hard, but it's generally very well snapped. So, unsnapped, it will be very easy to remove. Underneath, the first thing you will see is this piece of white plastic. Remove it with a small pair of pliers. It will be much more easier for the next steps. The battery is very easy to lift. Be careful, it can even fly far away. Take a close look at the model of your battery, as you'll need to replace it with the same one. In this case, it's an SR927SW. I've left a link in the description if you wish to order one. Insert a new battery and push it with your finger to ensure it's properly in place. Then, reposition the white plastic piece. Be aware, some watches have a sealant to protect them from water. If you see one, make sure to put it back in place properly to keep your watch waterproof. Finally, reposition your cover. Be careful, it's not as easy as it sounds to snap it back into place. You can try with your fingers or other tools if you wish, but ideally, use a watch press. Once again, it's included in the complete kit in the description. Put a cloth to protect your watch and press on the lever to close the case. Ideally, you'll hear a snap, but it's possible that, like in this case, it's rather discreet. Make sure it's closed properly, and that's it. We are done. I hope the video was helpful.